Hi friends, welcome to Mano Cooks. I'm Mano. Eid is round the corner and let's learn the secret recipe of deliciously power-packed and very yummy dessert SheerKhurma as done in our Muslim friends' homes. Please watch till the end to know the secret tips to make this recipe exactly same every time. Before we start, soak, peel and chop the nuts lengthwise. Let's get started. Heat a small pan on medium flame. Add ghee. Once it is hot, add chironji seeds and allow them to change color. Tip number 1, we will be adding chironji, cashews and dried grapes without soaking. Once chironji seeds are sauteed well, lower the flame and add cashews. Saute the cashews a bit and add soaked badam. Now add soaked pista and add soaked dates. And keep sauteing everything in low flame until we get a nice aroma and all the nuts are sauteed as you see in the video. Important tip here, please do not make them brown or burnt. If you are new here, please do watch the full video and subscribe to my channel and please do click on the bell icon. In the same pan, add little ghee and we will roast the sevaiya. Please keep the flame in low. This is very thin variety and we have to roast it in ghee for the extra flavor and aroma. Break them in small 1-inch pieces as you see in the video and roast them slowly on low flame. Once the color changes to dark brown, please turn off the stove and take the sevaiya in a plate. Take a heavy bottom pan or a non-stick pan. An important tip here, always wet the pan or add an ice cube as shown in the video before we add the milk so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. Add milk. Now turn on the stove in medium flame. Keep stirring and once it's hot and gets one boil, add condensed milk and mix again. Quick tip, please do not skip the condensed milk as that gives the flavor and thickness to this dish. Add raisins. Remember, we are adding raw raisins here. Now let's add the sauteed nuts and keep cooking. Important tip here, nuts can be taken according to your own measurements too. Follow me on Insta and Facebook and please do subscribe, share on WhatsApp and like and do comment. Now allow the milk to boil and keep stirring once in a while. Slowly you can see that the milk starts to thicken. In this stage add the roasted vermicelli. This sevaiya or vermicelli gets cooked very quick. Once you see they are tender, now let's add sugar. Now let's add salt. Tip here, always remember to add a pinch of salt to any sweet dish. Now let's add Kevra Water or rose essence. This is the ingredient that gives the exact fragrance to this dish. Add cardamom powder. Add few saffron strands. We can see the milk is thick now and the color of the milk is changed to off-white or cream color. Now check the consistency. It should be little runny as you see in this video. This dish generally tends to thicken once it cools down. Please do remember to follow all the tips to recreate this recipe as seen in the video. Now our SheerKhurma is ready. Turn off the flame and cover the pan and leave it aside for 15 minutes. You can serve it warm or chilled. Let's get ready to celebrate Eid 2020 with this signature and creamy dish SheerKhurma. Eid Mubarak to all my friends. Thanks for watching.